Good morning, Vietnam. Whoa, welcome to Destinations. What you see in front of you are stolen property from the hotel. Jackie is stealing the hotel's flip-flops. Let's see how this fares.
This was your idea.
Not my idea.
Yes.
You wanted to do it. You just copying off me because I stole mine from the last hotel. Anyway, we got something secret planned for you. I don't know what it is, so I'll just be as surprised as you. So follow us. Welcome back to New Destinations. Jackie is going to something. I don't know what it is, a tour or something. Yeah.
But I will not tell you because I think you will not like it.
She doesn't think I'm gonna like it, so this is gonna be interesting, folks. You ready, stuff? All right, see you later. Bye-bye. One more event. Jesus Christ, so obvious. He didn't look at you, he looked at me, but he's probably looking now, wondering why you snuck out the side door. Oh my God. Stolen. I don't know what it is. The last time she did this to me, she took me to an all-nude sauna. I'm in trouble. Okay, she tricked me. I'm in a place where you have to get totally naked. I'm gonna kill her when we get home, okay? Because I'm not comfortable with this. Yeah, a little bit. Yes, I'll never forget it. I don't think any of our viewers will forget that episode. I think we stopped somewhere to lantern making. Oh yeah, I like this. No, really, this is cool. Yeah, lantern making. I'll be down.
You look like Bruno Mars.
Thank you. Huge compliment, man.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, yeah, for real?
Ja,
Yeah.
that is what you are.
Huge compliment. I don't look like him, and I don't have any of his money, so.
I got the wrong.
You do have the wrong Bruno Mars. This is very cool. But the only thing is, once we make one of these things, how are we gonna get it home?
They say we can fold it.
Oh, you can fold them? I hope so.
Family business. The first, I will introduce some information about the history of Hoi An lantern. History. Now you will see on my hand, this is the first style of lantern in Hoi An, in Noi Town, but it's not from Hoi An. This lantern is from China. So you will see the Chinese people, they make the lantern from the wood, and cover the outside the lantern by the silk fabric, and it's very easy to bring here because can fold down like this, very easy.
Oh.
But after that, about 100 years later, the local here we found the bamboo, and from this bamboo we can get a lot of shape. It's very special about the name, about the shape. It's not the only one shape.
Let's go. Okay, so the first step is to start with 12 of these bamboo sticks. Okay, now you have to put the same rope on the bottom. So you gotta stick it in the hole. If you have bad vision like I do, it's gonna be difficult for you, so bring your glasses. It's very tedious work. So if you do come to the tour, be prepared to take your time. And now I gotta start over. It's not as easy as it looks. Although it does look hard anyway. Now we're cooking with Wesson.
And you put here. You hold very tight, you bend all the way round.
Oh my God, I don't know.
You do same thing 7 times.
Wonder Woman!
Not very good.
Not very good, it's
Okay,
cracked,
anyone.
so it's split.
Okay, so
So you have to start over. Go back to the table and start over.
I'm almost closer.
This
no,
way.
wait, this way. Small head. Small head. Okay, hold very tight.
Very
No.
tight.
Hold here.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
I'm afraid I'm gonna break it.
It's okay, don't worry. No break.
Stop.
More.
It seems like it's gonna break. It's the
It's
weirdest
okay.
feeling.
Don't worry, be happy. Let's go. More.
Alright.
Stronger.
It's not gonna snap.
Stronger. Stronger, my friend. Strong. More. Stronger. More. It's okay. Okay, 7 times.
Okay.
Yeah.
Seven.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
You sure?
Very good.
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now we have to separate the bamboo. Separation. Wow. What an amazing job. Look at that. You're fast too. Man.
Hello YouTube. Greetings from Vietnam, Hoi An.
That's Josephine.
Hello. And you can do some nails, you can do some lanterns, you can get massage.
You should be a YouTuber.
Woo! I heard it a few times.
I'm cheating a little bit. I got help. Jackie's doing herself and she did it all by herself. Look at that. Look at that. I did that. Okay, push down. Oh. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Whoa!
Wow.
Jealous? It's very cool. But I beg the question, is that it from here? Or there's got to be more hardness coming, right? More difficulty. I think now we got to pick the color.
I see the girls doing something.
They're doing something that looks hard. I don't know what it
So
is
you go
though.
under.
We'll learn.
You go under again. To the left side. and again, and then you just, I don't know.
So we have to bend the bamboo a little more.
You bend a few times.
Call me stupid, but who would have known bamboo would be so stretchy? It pins so easily. It's good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Wow, you amazing.
Thank you.
Now I show you next step, huh?
Yeah, show me the next step.
Okay. First half you have string like this. You under again through the hook.
Over. Under. Get some more string out. And you go to the right side. Me either, it's hard. I think I'm done. Time to pick the fabric or whatever you call it, the pattern, the design. It's nice. It feels very East Asian.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little spacey. This one right here. Yeah, I like
The buffalo.
I like that. But then this one looks kind of cool too. White one though, wow. That's kind of dope. It's really dope.
Yeah, that's you.
That's me?
Yeah, this one or this, I think it's more for you. But I don't know. You should choose by yourself.
I think I'm gonna go with this right here.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Decisions. Which one will it be?
Well, this one have the lotus.
It's got the lotus flower on it.
Yeah, this one is blossom, but we have seen here with lotus stuff.
Well, pick one, boo. We got to go.
Yeah, okay, I will pick the lotus.
You smear it. The whole bamboo.
Ah,
1, 2, 3, and 4. Only 4 bamboo sticks.
that's
And
easy to do.
Yeah, and when you finish 4 bamboo here, you put glue on the top and a little bit in the middle here on the black color. 1, 2, and 3. 3 between of 4 bamboo sticks.
Working with glue now, scary. When in doubt, cheat. 4, just 4 of them. Anywhere we want?
4 next to each other.
And stick.
Turn it on.
Bottom.
Okay, this is the part that's really creeping me out right here. I think I got this. Wow, looks good. What do you mean no? Oh, I didn't do the other side though. I didn't do the other one like that either. Oh, but this side I didn't do this. Oh no, I'm a klutz. We gotta make sure that you put the pattern in the right direction as the same one you did. You don't want to do it backwards. Okay, I'm nervous. Ready, go. I'm nervous though. If I put it on wrong, all right, just do it. Just do it as Josephine said.
Let's do it!
Wow. Is it right? Okay. Straighten it up. Stretch it. Stretch it on all sides. Wow. Uh-oh. Help! I see.
Yes.
Shut up.
Easy.
Not easy. Not easy. Not easy. Okay, now we're gonna cut, and I'm scared. Okay.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Don't cut the string. So I'm cutting this up, but I'm not supposed to cut this tiny little string on there.
Yeah, please don't.
You did this part already?
Yeah.
You did it already. Okay.
They have to start all over again.
Are you serious?
Yeah, from the beginning.
So if I cut this string, I'll have to start all over from the very beginning. No pressure. Very stressed. Yeah. I cut the string.
It's so expensive, like, oh, hell no.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
Almost there, but I'm doing terribly at this, and I call myself an art teacher. Look how quick this guy is. He's so quick at it. Look at that. And he doesn't cut the string. Has never cut the string before in his life. Yeah. Next step.
We will glue 1, 2, 3, 4 again.
On top of the fabric.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
But this one and this one, you must be careful. Please keep the glue only on the stick like this.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Don't get it over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 on top, 3 on the bottom again.
I got this.
Okay.
Girls are moving and grooving over there. Jackie, how you doing? Okay, I'm almost there. I just gotta do more cutting now. Scary part again. I'm a pro now. Almost there. Ready to put my strips on now. Put this strap on here, okay? It's making me nervous again. I can do this myself. Nobody needs to help me. Can you help me? Once?
Okay, one.
Okay.
Yeah, finish.
Wow. I'm sorry, what did you say?
Oh, you did so good, amazing.
I did amazing.
Wow,
See?
awesome.
Did Jackie hear that? Did Jackie hear that? I'll pay you later. Whoa, look at that, man. It looks sort of similar. Wow, what a great class. I loved it. We met some good friends and we were able to, you know, do this. It was, I gotta admit, it was a lot of help. And if you do come, wear some clothes that can get, you know, that you don't mind getting glue on and flakes and things like that, you know. Anyway, what was the name of this place? Is there a name or? Oh, that's cheap. Ladder making class. Tien Vong Pho ladder making class. That's it for New Destinations. We will see you in the light in the next episode. Bye bye.
Cha-cha my baby, cha-cha, I'll cha-cha you, cha-cha you. Just try to move on, the way I do. Turn around easy, it's a lovely dance for two. Cha-cha my baby, I'll cha-cha you. That is what you are, honey. You're